pangit ko ngayon. Ano bang tsura ng ayos ko? Parang hindi ako beauty. Hindi ako fresh ngayon. Ang ganda ng ano, man. Naipain ako ngayon ang mukha. And so I moved my world to be with him. I'm wanting for too much, for far too long. Looking back, I could have put it differently. Let of you more moments, who can tell? Hello, choose one. Walang magawa sa buhay. Good evening anyway to everyone once again. Nice to see you.